Today we're going to be making a lava lamp with vinegar, baking soda, and oil. First you're going to need a tall glass, and then you're going to fill it up with vegetable oil. Next you're going to need some baking soda and carefully scoop it into the oil. Next we're going to add a vinegar to each container, and then add 2 drops of food coloring to each container. Now we're going to add a vinegar to the bottom, and the vinegar is more dense than the oil, so it sinks. Vinegar is reacting with the baking soda, and it's making a carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles are carrying the vinegar up to the top, and then the bubbles pop, and then the vinegar floats back down, and it happens all over again. Thank you for being at Homemade Science Junior. I'm Gabriella. Goodbye.